Welcome to this video on virginity and pregnancy in the context of forensic science. This video will cover several medico-legal aspects related to these topics. Our content will cover definitions of virginity, the hymen, pregnancy, and their respective medico-legal aspects. First, let's define virgin as a woman who has not experienced sexual intercourse. The term is derived from the Latin virgo. Virginity is the state of being a virgin. Defloration refers to the loss of virginity, often involving the rupture of the hymen. Marriage is defined as a contract implying physical union by coitus. Divorce means the dissolution of a valid marriage. Chastity, derived from the Latin quote castitas, meaning purity, does not necessarily imply virginity. Hymenoplasty is an operation to repair a ruptured hymen. Hymenorrhaphy is the suturing of a ruptured hymen. Hymenotomy is a surgical procedure to correct an imperforate or septate hymen. Questions of virginity often arise in cases involving the nullity of marriage, such as when a party is underage, mentally defective, or if the marriage was not consummated due to impotence or refusal. Virginity is also relevant in divorce cases, based on grounds like adultery, incurable mental illness, leprosy, venereal disease, or desertion. The hymen is a thin fold of mucous membrane. Common types include annular, semi-lunar or crescentic, and cribriform hymen. Additional types of hymen include septate, vertical, infantile, imperforate, and fimbriated, or frilly-edged hymen. The commonest cause of hymen rupture is sexual intercourse. Rupture can also be caused by accidents, foreign bodies, or masturbation, sometimes leading to a quote false virgin condition. Other causes of hymen rupture include surgical procedures, gynecological examinations, sanitary tampon insertion, ulceration from diseases like diphtheria, and scratches due to poor cleanliness. The presence of an intact hymen is not an absolute sign of virginity. Key signs include an intact hymen and a narrow vagina. After childbirth, the hymen is lost, forming carunculae myrtiformes. Pregnancy is carrying an embryo or fetus inside the womb. It begins when an ovum is fertilized by a spermatozoon, forming a zygote, generally during the reproductive period from 15 to 45 years. Medico-legal aspects of pregnancy include women pleading pregnancy to avoid court attendance or execution. It's also relevant when a woman feigns pregnancy for succession or claims pregnancy in a breach of marriage promise suit. Other medico-legal aspects arise when a woman blackmails a man claiming pregnancy to compel marriage, or in allegations of pregnancy in widows or married women living separately. Pregnancy claims may be used to secure greater compensation after a person dies through negligence, or in divorce cases to claim more alimony or maintenance. Thank you for watching this video.